Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. If you suffer from stomach ailments such as gastritis, heartburn, reflux, and stomach pain, some home remedies can help. Such is the case with this juice. Not only is this juice nutritious, but it also helps relieve burning in the gastrointestinal tract. Have you ever heard of this potato melon juice recipe? It's an excellent remedy for such cases. Potatoes are alkaline and therefore helps to neutralize the acidity of the stomach. It's excellent for treating gastrointestinal problems such as gastritis, burning sensation in the stomach, gastroesophageal reflux, heartburn, poor digestion, stomach ulcers, intestinal inflammation, constipation, swelling, intestinal colic. Melon, on the other hand, helps detoxification, relieves the burning sensation in the gastrointestinal tract, and thus improves the digestive process, which also contributes to evacuation. Write down the ingredients. 1 slice of melon without peel, 1/2 unpeeled raw potato, 200 milliliters of water. Preparation and consumption. Cut the potato and melon into smaller pieces, put them in a blender, add the water, and blend until you get a homogeneous drink. Take it soon after preparation, without straining or sweetening, and on an empty stomach. Drunk on an empty stomach, this juice helps to reduce the acidity of the stomach and relieves the feeling of burning, pain, and heartburn. It's also effective for nervous, acute, and chronic gastritis and stomach ulcers. To notice improvement, you should do this for 40 days continuously. If you've got this far, write gastritis in the comments. That way you help the channel. If you already knew it, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. I wish you good health.